Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're talking cold showers versus cold plunges. Is it worth buying one of these things as a dedicated cold plunge, or can you get the benefits out of a cold shower? So come on into the forge and we'll talk all about it. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jeff Johnson. I'm the owner and founder of the Forge Mobile Cold Plunge here in Midland, Texas. And I've been cold plunging for 3.5 years. I've got almost 1,000 cold plunges, and I once did 365 days straight. Cold showers versus cold plunges. Are these things worth it, or can you get all the benefits out of just doing cold showers? First, I think we need to define why you're doing cold plunges to begin with, or why you're chasing cold exposure. I mean, you could be in it for inflammation, right? To lower your inflammatory markers, or you might be doing it just to become a more disciplined, strong-minded person. And both of those are right. Also, you could be chasing that dopamine dump that you get whenever you cold plunge. I think Andrew Huberman said that you get a 2 to 2.5 time increase over your baseline in dopamine response. So you feel great whenever you get out of it. And I want to talk about that for a minute. So if all that you're looking for is a dopamine response, I think that a cold shower is going to be plenty to do that. Also, I think if you're looking to try and become more resilient and more disciplined, I think daily cold showers are probably going to do that for you. Where I have a problem is I don't think you're going to be getting the inflammation reduction in a cold shower that you're going to get when you immerse your entire body in here. And even those other two, the dopamine response and, working on your brain, becoming a stronger, tougher minded person, you're gonna get that in the shower. I just don't think you're gonna get it as much as if you were doing it in one of these cold plunges. Later in this video, I'm gonna measure. So you guys already know I keep these at 40 and my personal tub at 50. I'm gonna measure the water temperature of the tap water here in West Texas that comes out of the shower when you have it on fully cold. For me, it's not that cold. I mean, I cold plunge a lot though. For me, it's just not cold enough. But I will tell you this, and leave it in the comments, if you're a cold plunger and you try to take cold showers, is it like, I can't ever settle in. In these things, I can settle in, I can get in a a rhythm, focus on my breath, relax into it. Standing in the cold shower, I don't get that. I don't know why. So are cold showers good enough, or do you need a cold plunge? I think whatever you can afford to do, and I think every person is different. You don't have to go out and spend $2,000 on one of these. You could put ice in your bathtub. Whatever you can do, just try to do that. I think you guys are gonna get a major shock when you realize how tough it is to do cold water exposure every single day. It makes you tough. It just makes you a more resilient person. I know that you guys hear me say that all the time, but it changed my life. Like, I'm literally a different person than I was whenever I started cold plunging. So I'm gonna have some B-roll connected into this. I wanna show you guys some of the temperature coming out of the tap, and then maybe I'll take a cold shower and show you from here up. I don't know. Guys, I hope that answered all your questions. Cold plunges, cold showers, it's whatever you can get into, whatever you have. I want you doing either one of them, whatever you can do. Of course, these are gonna be more effective, but they both work. Hey guys, catch me on the next one. Get in the gray. I hope that helped. Okay guys, we're gonna do a little science experiment. So it's July in West Texas. It's hotter than heck. It's been 100 degrees for like a week straight. I've got water straight out of the tap. I let it run for like 30 seconds and then I filled that up. And then we have our Desert Plunge. I have these set at 40 degrees. So here's the water right out of the shower, 74. And then we're gonna come in. I mean, these will be 40 degrees. Yep, 41 degrees. So, and another thing, cold plunge versus cold shower, water dissipates heat like 25 times faster than air. And you gotta think, whenever you're taking a cold shower, you're mostly surrounded by air, not completely immersed in water. So hope that helps.